it looks like there is a film of water on top of it. So this is very slippery, so be careful. I don't want anybody to walk this path based on this video and then break their leg. Good evening, I'm here in Ploen Chit and today I'm going to show you the finished product of the linear park. I already made a couple of videos about this park, but now finally it's finished. They opened it last week. There's some nice food stalls in here. So if you want to have some good Thai food, you can come here to my friends. Sawadee krap. And this project is sponsored by the Ministry of Tourism and Sports, the Sports Authority of Thailand, National Sports and Development Fund. And it's all here to give people the opportunity to do their exercise, to do their biking. Yep. So let me show you how it looks now. So this opened just last week. And the idea of this park is to give a connection from the Ploen Chit BTS station to the Benjakitti Park and also a little bit to the Lumphini Park. Here in the beginning, you have the toilets, you have a water machine here, you want a refreshment. It's perfect if you live in Bangkok and you have pets. You can use this to get to the Benjakitti Park. By the way, if you're looking for a dog-friendly apartment in here, you can also hook us up at Sukhumvit Homes, but that's another story. So this park is 2.2 kilometers long, which is 1.3 miles. It's next to the train tracks. So the Ploen Chit area is right around here. And if you want to do your early morning exercise, this is perfect to get to the park. They have security cameras on every second lamppost. So the park is open now every day from 5 in the morning until 10. And this bridge is the most important part that is open. I mean, you could already walk the concrete stretch that I just did. And here you have the connection to the Green Lung. So if you go up here, you have the Green Mile that connects Lumphini Park with Benjakitti. And here you can walk on and continue your journey towards Rama 4. Here you can see it's next to the Benjakitti Park. On the border of two districts. Here you can see the train tracks that are still here. And this is the connection towards the port. Here I have to say, you have to be very careful because this is very slippery and it just rained. And I almost fell down already. So if you're not good on your legs, don't walk here when it's raining because you might slip. I don't know, they use a kind of paint on here. You see the bridge. This bridge was constructed so that the cars that come from the highway can go under here. So here's a U-turn if you want to get into Ploen Chit. So here you see the connection to the Green Mile. And there you have the bridge that connects to Benjakiti. Also nice view here of the one Bangkok construction site. And I keep repeating myself, but as you can see, it's growing. I see the right tower there. I see the tower here on the right is almost as high as the highest point. It's a bit half cloudy, half sunny, but not too much smog. So we might get a bit more rain today. From here you have a very nice view of the Benjakitti Park. Sun is coming through. What more do you want in life? So you can see it looks like there is a film of water on top of it. So this is very slippery, so be careful. I don't want anybody to walk this path based on this video and then break their leg. And this part they really took care of all the flowers. It's very colorful. Definitely recommend to come and have a look here. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the linear park. I hope a lot of people are going to use it. It's going to be the perfect park if you want to go in the direction of Benjakiti and in the direction of Lumphini through the Green Mile. If you enjoyed this update, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.